Hello everyone, welcome to this video review, and in this video I'm gonna talk about a product called $100 daily. And what this product is simply a method that's gonna show you how you can make over $100 in less than 24 hours. Alright, so the product looks promising. Here is the sales page. Here is how they made $132.66, and you can go ahead and watch the video, a sales later, if you want. It's really cool product. As you can see, they have tons of proofs of how they make the money. The product is being sponsored by Billy Dore and David Kirby, and you have a lot of income proof, a lot of uh, like proof of how they made it, and they explain how this method works. I think it's really cool. As you can see here, the money invested, they invested like $5 per day, and they invested like a couple hours. So if this is something that you can do, invest like $5 per day and maybe an hour or 30 minutes per day actually to make over $500, then this is something you need to check out. Alright, I'm gonna leave more information about this product below. You can find the link in the description. Also, I'm gonna leave a link and more information about the bonuses I'm giving away. Make sure to check this out also, and thanks for watching.